Good day. Can you find the square of this number in just a few seconds? That will be our lesson today. Our first example is a number which is close to the base, but it is lacking a few units. Let us take an example, 97. 97 is deficient of 3 from the base 100. Then we will subtract the deficiency from that number. 97 minus 3 is equal to 94. On this side, we will square the deficiency. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. We will then write 0, 9. Hence, the final answer is 9,409. Let's take another example. This time it has an excess of the base. 105 has an extra 5 units. The extra 5 will be added to 105 to make 110. At the other end, the extra 5 is squared to make it 25. And the final answer is 11,025. In this video, we will be having a short quiz on a specific topic. It is shortened to 10 items only, and you are expected to finish in 30 seconds. There will be no answer keys, for they will be discussed with your teacher. Label your answers with the video ID and the date when you took the quiz. Good luck! This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa inyong lingkod para sa kabataang Pilipino. Para makamit ang tagumpay, kailangan tulong-tulong tayo. Upang maging epektibo ang iyong pag-aaral, kailangan i-monitor ninyo ang speed ng bawat take ng exam. Ready? Item number 1. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 2. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 3. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 4. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 5. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 6. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 7. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 8. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 9. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Item number 10. You still have 5 seconds to finish. Congratulations! Now let us wait for your teacher to discuss these items. This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.